Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 can't upload to YouTube error you're getting when you're trying to upload your video clips. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So if you ever try to upload a video clip to YouTube and it fails, this is what you have to do. Go over to your computer and log into YouTube. When you're on the YouTube homepage here, go up to your profile in the upper right hand side of the screen. Then go down to YouTube Studio. Then over on the left, let's go to videos and find the failed uploaded video on your YouTube account. I don't have one right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and delete one for the sake of it. So here's the video that I'm going to delete. Go to these three little dots right here. Then go down to delete forever. So you have to delete the video. Otherwise, you will not be able to upload any additional clips after that. So let's go ahead and delete forever. So find the failed uploads under your uploads, then switch back to your PlayStation 4. So on our PlayStation 4 now, let's go over to the home screen here. Then go to notifications, press options, scroll up to uploads, press options again, go to delete, and select all. And then delete. Now, I think there's an issue where after so many uploads, the PlayStation 4 automatically stops all additional uploads until you delete everything out of the notifications area for the uploads. So let's go ahead and delete everything. So the video was deleted from YouTube and all the uploads are cleared out. You should now be able to go to one of your clips under Capture Gallery or Sharefactory and select the upload option. So let's go ahead and upload our video now by pressing share and posting it to YouTube. So if this video did indeed help you out fix the cannot upload error to YouTube on your PlayStation 4, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.